My video guide is about removing the browser notifications coming from the website totalwownews.com. Totalwownews.com is a very dangerous site that keeps attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This particular website tries to trick people into clicking on a special allow button. However, to click on allow is risky and dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You may be first of all forwarded to some other junk pages on the web. Also, you may start getting a lot of intrusive advertisements in the right part of your screen. So you need to deactivate these ads immediately by accessing the menu Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious site, totalwownews.com, you need to click on this associated button and remove the malicious resource from the list. And also remove other junk sites if you find them here. To make sure that your computer is free of any concealed threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this official website. Use this green download button, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.